So, what's she actually making?
That's lamb with vegetables, onion, parsley, etc. Garlic. Garlic also, right?
Yes.
And then she will roll up the bread and she'll put it.
And this is traditional Jordanian.
هذه من الأردن, yeah. From Jordan, yeah. It's called Arayes.
Arayes.
Arayes literally means the groom, no? The woman in the wedding.
Oh, sorry, the bride.
The bride,
The bride, the bride.
The groom is the man, right?
Yeah, the groom is the man.
Yeah, the bride. So, because the shape is like the dress of the bride.
Okay. So she's now cutting my famished. It's like I haven't even had breakfast. I had coffee this morning, but I haven't had anything to eat, so I'm famished. I should say shukran.
Shukran.
Afwan.
Afwan, yes. Shukran.
Afwan.
Is no problem.
Afwan.
Yes, Afwan.
You are welcome or my
Afwan.
pleasure. Afwan.